Hello guys and welcome back. What a glorious day we have in Cardiff today. Oh my goodness, hallelujah. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen this much sunshine and such, it feels warm, like it feels so warm to the skin to be outside. I've missed this so much. Anyways guys, today I'm going to try to get this planter sorted. This planter has been sitting in the gazebo for like weeks on ending. I bought it like almost 5 weeks ago. The intention was to use it as a planter. Yeah, to use it as a planter. Is not actually a planter, it's one of those basket things that you put maybe in the corner of your room to put maybe magazines or books or just anything, toys or anything like that. So I got it and I wanted to use it as a planter. It's quite pretty, it's all black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some weed control fabric, yeah, to line it, and I'll show you what that's going to look like when I finish doing it, because I don't want to do it in front of you and make this video so long. Yeah, so I'm just going to put that inside, and then I've got some beautiful plants as well. They say you have to have a thriller, a feeler, and a spiller. So this looks like the one that's going to be like the focal point. So this is going to be like the thriller, yeah, the thing that you can rest your eyes on. Like, ooh, look, it's gonna give it the height in that planter. And then I've got another thriller, yeah. I've got another thriller that is going to make a real statement. Look at that color, that is so pretty. And I'm very familiar with this plant because we used to have this in Nigeria. It's called celosia, yeah, and I could put that in the bed, but I want to use it in the pots. Yeah, I think it's going to be pretty in pots. So it's just going to be like maybe a little bit lower than that one in the pot, and it's going to bring that pop of color. Now I've also got this right here, and this is going to be the spiller. Yes, I've shown you the thrillers. I've got two thrillers. Now I'm going to show you the spillers. Yeah, this is petunia. I love the two colors. Can you see? It's got a little bit of yellow on the edges and the inside is purple. It's so pretty. So I'm going to use that one as the things that trail down the pots. Yeah, so this is going to be my spiller, one of the spillers anyway. And I've got this as well. I mean, the colors are a little bit of a mishmash color, but where this pot is going is kind of bland. It's just all green, so this is going to be the pop of colors in that area, and I'm going to show it to you when I finish doing it. Yes, so this is called nepeta. Yeah, this is nepeta, and it's a trailing plant. You can see that it's already, so it's going to trail down that pot as well. Now how about this? It's one of my favorite plants to have in the garden. Actually, the smell is so, can you guess the name? It's not a popular name, and this is not the most popular color. You might have seen it in like the whitish or the creamish or the pinkish one, but this is like a yellow and purple mix. Can you see? Really beautiful. So that's going into the pot as well. It has a lovely smell, and that's just going to bring the pollinators into that planter, and they will keep on doing their job until the season is over. I got it at a really good bargain, 4 for £5, but I bought it for £1.50. This is called nemesia. Now this one is kind of the same, but it's a little bit softer than this one. This one is kind of hot. That one is kind of like more subtle. And of course Now those are my fillers. Yeah, those are my fillers. I've shown you the thriller, I've shown you the spillers, and those are my fillers. I've also got this one. This is just another statement plant that is going to go in there. It's called begonia, and I love this color. I think it'll be pretty with the rest of the plants there. So let's go and get that basket, or the pot rather. Let's get the pot sorted. Yeah. So this is my weed control fabric. I know some of you watch me from Nigeria, and you might not know what this is or where to find it. This is just like how do I call it now, like a sack bag kind of thing. Yeah, so if you have a good alternative would be like the sack bag, you know, the thing we call gari, the gari bag, the bag that they put the gari in. Yes, it's that one. Yeah, so you can use that one as an alternative to this one. Yeah, I'm just going to get like a good maybe a meter or two of this to line the planter. Yeah, we're going to throw that in. Don't worry about how it's looking now. Yeah, make sure that it's in and it's sitting in nicely there. Okay, when we put in the compost, then we can organize it, tidy it up. Yeah, in Wales we say tidy like it's gonna be tidy like, you know. Right, I'm gonna put some holes in there, although this bag lets water out, but I'm just going to reinforce that by putting some holes in there for drainage, because these plants are going to be in here throughout the sunny season, maybe 4 or 5 months. So this is the end of May, so June, July, August, September. Some of them go even up to October, and we've had a late summer this year. It's starting late, so I'm guessing it might extend a little bit into the ember months. So I'm going to put some holes in there. Just with the scissors, I'm going to make some little, yeah, holes. Now I don't normally add any water retaining gels in my planters because I usually throw the compost back in my flower beds. So if I put some water retaining gel, that's just another bit of thing that is not going to decompose inside of my flower beds. I usually just do not put it in my planters at all. I usually find other ways to stay on top of watering the flowers. Yeah, so there you have it. That's it. Don't forget to water it. I'm going to show you what that looks like in a week or two. I think this will cheer me up throughout the summer. It looks so beautiful. I might want to just leave it in the front garden. So pretty. I like that pop of pink there, and the nemesia smells so divine. Even this three at the top here, it has a lemony smell, so it's really good as well. They're all pretty plants. Look, that's beautiful. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. So that's our little planter, guys. It has taken its place among the rest of the beautiful plants there. I'm so loving this sunshine today. And sad, every time the weather is good is when I have to work, when I have to go into work. I just don't feel like it's the day to go into work. I feel like it's the day just to lie down in the garden and take all the sunshine and everything I've missed in. Yeah, so that's really pretty. And you know, you may have a container that is just lying around that you don't know what to do with. That's a clever idea. That's something that you could do. Meanwhile, don't put it in a rainy spot. You can put it somewhere, maybe, you know, your front porch or somewhere nice where you can keep an eye on it. And don't forget to water it. All of these summer plants, bedding plants, they drink a lot of water, and because they are annuals, they grow so quickly, so they need so much nutrition and water and everything. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you in the next one. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? There's so much goodies on the channel. Yeah, hit that subscribe button and give us a reaction. You may want to give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Doesn't matter which one, we just love a reaction. Yeah, it tells us how you feel about the video, so we would love to hear from you in that way. Thank you so much. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.